Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and use CapCut in your PC. Let's get started. First of all, open up your browser in your PC and then in the search bar simply search for CapCut.com. Once you search for it here, you'll then be able to find an option that says download and then download for free. Go ahead and tap on any one of them. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on download for free. And once you tap onto it, it will automatically download. So you'll then be able to find the steps to install CapCut in just 2 steps. So once the CapCut file is downloaded, you want to go ahead and simply double click onto it, and just like that, the installation will begin in your PC. So as you can see, the installation for CapCut is here. Wait for a few seconds, and depending on your Wi-Fi speed, the CapCut will get downloaded in your PC. So once you have your CapCut downloaded, to use it, go ahead and open it up. Once you open the CapCut, you simply want to go ahead and tap on import and import your file inside CapCut. Go ahead and select the file and then tap on open. Once it is open, you can then be able to edit your video as you like. Well, that is how you can download and use CapCut in your PC. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.